In this tutorial, we are going to focus on list in HTML. Now, we have different types of lists in HTML. The first one is an ordered list. We have the second one called ordered list. And we have the last one, which is the third one, definition list. Now, let's talk about an ordered list. All these are created using UL tags. Each item in the list is created with line tags. Now, for example, I will have to just create it within the body tags. Now, I will begin with that unordered list, and I will say UL tag. Now, within the UL tag, I'll have to enter my first tag, that is li tag. Then I'll say this first. You can duplicate it again. I'll copy. Then this one, I'll call it second. I'll call this one third. Okay. Now, let me run this program. Let's say you save the changes first. Then go to your browser like this. Now, let's move on to the next list, that is ordered lists. Now, with ordered lists, just the same as an ordered list, it's created just the same way as an ordered list, but this time we're going to use OL tag. So you're going to say OL tag. Now, within OL tags, you say li. Then you can say first. Can duplicate it again. I will call this one first. Then that will be second. Then this one will be third. Let me save these changes. Go to my browser again. Refresh. Like this. So this is what you call, and this is called ordered list, not an ordered list. So with ordered lists are just similar, but it's made with OL tag. Now let's move on to something else. There's another list which is called definition list. But before that, the difference between the two, which is an ordered list and ordered list, is that ordered lists have a number before each item. Now, let's look at the third type of list. And with the definition list, it's just a bit different. And we are going to look at that. So, in this one, we are going to introduce a different tag here. Call it DL tag. So within my DL tags here, we're going to introduce TD tag. Then I can enter my name or anything like that. Then you can use another D, you can say DD. Then you can say the name. And again another tag, CD. Then this one, you can say copies. Then another one here, you can say DD. Then you can say the surname like this. So let me refresh, save these changes. Try to go to my browser now. Changes. So this is how you can create